let's go over multiplying a trinomial by a binomial. So trinomial means that it's going to have 3 terms, and a binomial means it's going to have 2 terms. So let's go over multiplying a binomial by a binomial first. So for a binomial times a binomial, we could have something like x plus 3 times x minus 4. And what we do is we just distribute. So we distribute this x into both of these. So we get x times x is x squared. X times negative 4 is negative 4x. Then distribute the 3 to both, because we just distribute the x to both, so now we distribute the next term in. So 3 times x is 3x. And 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. Then we combine like terms. X squared, add these together. Negative 4 and 3 is negative 1, so negative 1x minus 12. So that's a binomial times a binomial. But now let's try a binomial times a trinomial. So let's get rid of this. Alright. So instead of x plus 3 times x minus 4, let's try times x squared plus 2x minus 5. We're going to follow the same rules. Let's distribute the x into this, so multiply the x by each of these terms. X times x squared is x cubed. X times 2x is 2x squared. X times negative 5 is negative 5x. Alright, now that we distributed that, let's go ahead in here and let's distribute the 3. Just like we did in the other example. So 3 times x squared is 3x squared. 3 times 2x is 6x. And 3 times negative 5 is negative 15. And just like we did before, we're going to combine like terms. So x cubed, there's no other x cubed term, so we have x cubed. I'm going to underline it so I know that's accounted for. Now let's go to the x squareds. 2x squared, 3x squared, add together to give us 5x squared. So those are accounted for. Negative 5x and 6x add up to positive 1x, so plus x. Okay, and now I have negative 15, so minus 15. So after we distributed and combined like terms, we have x cubed plus 5x squared plus x minus 15. And we can actually do the same thing the other way around. So let's retry this, but we'll change the order. We'll do x squared plus 2x minus 5 times x plus 3. So instead of distributing this into here, we're going to distribute this into here. So distribute the x squared into both of these. So x squared times x is x cubed. X squared times 3 is 3x squared. Alright, let me just erase these lines now. Now let's distribute the 2x in, so 2x times x, 2x times 3. So 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times 3 is 6x. Now let's distribute the negative 5. So negative 5 times x, negative 5x. Negative 5 times 3, negative 15. So it looks like we have something a little bit different here. But if you look closely, you'll see that we have the same exact terms here as we did up here. They're just in different orders. So now, when we combine like terms, we're still going to get the same result. So let's look at x cubed. There's only x cubed, so we have x cubed. Here we took care of that. The x squared, 3x squared and 2x squared is 5x squared. Then the x is 6x minus 5x is positive 1x, so plus x. And then minus 15. So as you can see, we have the same answer. Doesn't matter which way you distribute, just make sure that you distribute both of them.